Hello everybody, welcome back to Colin's Chaos. This week we're working on part 2 of putting the walls up. So I got this wall finished last week. Now this week we're going to come over here and get this wall finished up. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a like, and I appreciate you guys watching. Alright, let's get to the video. $132.5. $76 5/8. Spot. All right, I need 132.5. All right, for this the back wall where the kitchen is, what I'm using is, this is cedar. Cedar we cut from this property. So we cut some trees, had them milled down, planed some off. So we're gonna put some cedar up in the kitchen, some of the other feature walls. All right, got this wall done, and I actually did the part of the kitchen wall. So I did it with the bottom half. You're not going to see that because the kitchen cabinets and countertop are going to cover that up, but I did cedar on the top part of that wall. So I think it looks pretty good. So this is the end of part 2. Thank you guys for watching. Got some more cedar I'm going to cut up to do a couple feature walls, and then we will get those up. So again, thank you guys very much for watching. See you on the next one.